Para penumpang pesawat Singapura Airlines Boeing 777-300ER ini dengan kode penerbangan SQ321 akhirnya tiba di Singapura. Sebelumnya pendaratan darurat terpaksa dilakukan di Thailand setelah terjadi turbulensi parah.
Para penumpang tiba di Singapura pada Rabu pagi. Pihak Singapore Airlines mengatakan mereka membawa penumpang dari Bangkok menuju Singapura sebelum pukul 5 pagi waktu setempat. Sementara itu, Biro Investigasi Keselamatan Transportasi Singapura masih terus menyelidiki insiden tersebut. Dewan Keselamatan Transportasi Nasional Amerika Serikat juga mengirimkan perwakilan untuk membantu penyelidikan.
Contrary to what some reporting has said about it being like a 3-minute thing or whatnot, I think the entire thing happened within the span of like less than 10 seconds. Like it was really, really quick. Which is why like I think nobody could really respond to it. Like in my recollection of what happened, I was in my chair and I think I was resting at that point, but I was belted in and we could start feeling that the airplane was entering some kind of turbulence. So the plane starts shaking. I remember earlier when we were taking off from Bangkok and flying towards Singapore, like we start getting turbulence and I start seeing some clouds and start feeling the plane shake. And there is that anticipation somewhat that something might happen again, just like double the bad luck or something like